Good morning, students. Today we can see revision in inverse trigonometric functions, fourth lesson. Okay, inverse trigonometric functions. Some important questions we can see today. First question: find the domain of sine inverse 2 minus 3x square. So find the domain of sine inverse 2 minus 3x square. We know that the range of sine inverse is in between -1 and +1. The range of a domain is, that is the range here, -1 to +1. So the sine inverse value is sine inverse of 2 minus 3x square is there. Am I right? This angle is in between -1 and +1. Am I right? That is 2 minus 3x square. It is in between -1 and +1. Understand first step? Sine inverse this angle. Am I right? 2 minus 3x square is in between -1 and +1. Therefore, here next step, minus 3x square is in between -1. If you take this, if you subtract 2 on each term, how do you write? -2. Here also, if you subtract 2, 2 get cancelled. Am I right? Less than or equal to 1 minus 2. That is minus 3x square. Here -1 minus 2 is -3. Less than or equal to 1 minus 2 is -1. Clear? Then you have to divide through it by 3. X square minus 3 by 3. Here also divided by 3, less than or equal to -1 by 3. So 3 cancel, -1. -1 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to -1 by 3. Am I right? Only we divide through it by 3, so minus it will come here. Am I right? Minus. Then divide through it by minus sign. So the inequality sign also it will change. Greater than or equal to -1 by -1, greater than or equal to minus plus. Am I right? So you will get 1 by 3. So -1 cancel, +1. So 1 greater than or equal to x square greater than or equal to 1 by 3. Understand? So here this also can be written as 1 by 3 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 1. The same step only I written here. This 1 by 3 is less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 1. Now the modulus of x value is 1 by root 3, root of 1 by 3. So 1 by root 3 less than or equal to modulus of x less than or equal to 1, root 1 is 1. Now here one formula we have to apply. We know that a less than or equal to modulus of x less than or equal to b means formula is x belongs to closed bracket minus b comma minus a union a comma b. So this inequality, this step can be written as, here a is 1 by root 3 Am I right? B is 1. So this can be written as x belongs to minus b minus 1 comma minus a minus 1 by root 3 union a comma b 1 by root 3 comma 1. That is answer. So understand, students? So once again, find the domain of sine inverse 2 minus 3 x square. So we know that the sine inverse range, that is domain, is in between minus 1 and plus 1. That is minus 1 less than or equal to 2 minus 3x square less than or equal to 1. So subtract 2 on each term. So we will get to cancel this 2. So minus 1 minus 2 less than or equal to 2 minus 2 cancel. Minus 3x square less than or equal to 1 minus 2. Then divide through it by 3. So we will get to cancel here 1. Minus 1 less than or equal to minus x less than or equal to minus x square less than or equal to minus 1 by 3. And divide through it by minus sign. So we will get to cancel. Inequality sign also it will change. Less than or equal to convert to greater than or equal to. Am I right? Both the sign. Minus 1 by minus 1 greater than or equal to x square greater than or equal to 1 by 3. Then when you cancel, we will get 1 here. 1 greater than or equal to x square greater than or equal to 1 by 3. This also can be written as 1 by 3 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 1. So modulus values, when you take modulus value, it will come plus root. Am I right? 1 by root 3 less than or equal to modulus of x less than or equal to 1. So here on formula we know that a less than or equal to modulus of x less than or equal to b. And what is the formula? X belongs to minus b comma minus a union a comma b. So we can apply in the formula. X belongs to minus 1 comma minus 1 by root 3 union 1 by root 3 comma 1. Clear? And same model, another one question. Second question. Find the domain of f of x equal to sine inverse x square plus 1 by 2x. So like the previous sum, sine inverse value is in between minus 1 less than or equal to x square plus 1 by 2x less than or equal to 1. When you cross multiply, so we will get minus 2x less than or equal to x square plus 1 less than or equal to 2x. 1 into 2x, 2x. Now I am taking this value separately. Minus 2x less than or equal to x square plus 1 comma x square plus 1 less than or equal to 2x. Okay. Now here less than or equal to, here 0, this minus 2x I am taking this side. So x square plus 2x plus 1 comma x square, if you take 2x this side, minus 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. So this also can be written as x square plus 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0, x square minus 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. These of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. 1 can be written as 1 square. So what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square a plus b the whole square, x plus 1 the whole square greater than or equal to 0, comma, here a square minus 2ab plus b square, 1 can be written as 1 square. So x minus b the whole square, x minus 1 the whole square less than or equal to 0. This can be written as, when you take the square root, x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0, therefore x is greater than or equal to minus 1. Here x minus 1 is less than or equal to 0, x is less than or equal to 1. Therefore x belongs to minus 1 comma plus 1. Range is in between, domain is in between minus 1 and plus 1. Greater than or equal to minus 1, but it should be less than or equal to 1. Where? Then third question. Find the domain of f of x equal to sine inverse modulus of x minus 2 divided by 3 plus cos inverse of 1 minus modulus of x divided by 4. Okay. So find the domain of f of x equal to sine inverse modulus of x minus 2 by 3 plus cos inverse of 1 minus modulus of x divided by 4. First we can take sine inverse of modulus of x minus 2 divided by 3. So sine inverse is in between. What is the value? Minus 1 less than or equal to modulus of x minus 2 by 3 less than or equal to 1. So this can be written as cross multiply minus 3 less than or equal to modulus of x minus 2 less than or equal to 3. Next step, modulus of x is minus 2, you have to add plus 2 on each term, so it will cancel, no, minus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 less than or equal to, here also minus 2 plus 2 less than or equal to 3 plus 2. Now modulus of x less than or equal to minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 less than or equal to 5. So that means modulus of x must be greater than or equal to minus 1. It should be less than or equal to 5. So usually this can be written as modulus of x is less than or equal to 5. Equation number 1. Okay. Then second term. The second term, cos inverse of 1 minus modulus of x by 4. So this value also in between minus 1 less than or equal to 1 minus modulus of x by 4 less than or equal to 1. Cross multiply minus 4 less than or equal to 1 minus modulus of x less than or equal to 4. So here modulus of x less than or equal to, you have to subtract 1 on each term. Minus 4 minus 1 less than or equal, this minus it will be there, less than or equal to 4 minus 1. Minus 5 less than or equal to minus modulus of x less than or equal to 3. Then divide through it by minus sign. So minus 5 by minus 1 greater than or equal to, inequality sign it will change. Am I right? Greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to minus 3. How minus 3? 3 by minus 1. 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. Minus minus cancel. So we will get 5 greater than or equal to modulus of x greater than or equal to minus 3. This also can be written as minus 3 less than or equal to modulus of x less than or equal to 5. So together this also can be written as modulus of x is less than or equal to 5, equation number 2. So combining 1 and 2, combining 1 and equation 1 and 2, modulus of x is less than or equal to 5. Therefore we know one formula, modulus of x is less than or equal to 5 means formula is minus 5 less than or equal to modulus of x less than or equal to 5. Therefore x belongs to minus 5 comma plus 5. Next one question, that also domain. One more question, shall we see? Fourth question, find the value of, find the domain of cos inverse 2 plus sin x divided by 3. Okay, find the domain of cos inverse 2 plus sin x divided by 3. So here also this term is in between minus 1 less than or equal to 2 plus sin x divided by 3 less than or equal to plus 1. Cross multiply minus 3, 1 in minus 1 into 3, minus 3 less than or equal to 2 plus sin x less than or equal to 1 into 3, 3. Then sin x is in between minus 3, minus 2. Subtract each term by minus 2. Here also if you subtract minus 2, 2 get cancelled. 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Less than or equal to 3 minus 2. So minus 5 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1. Am I right? Anyway, sin value is in between, we know that sin value is in between minus 1 and plus 1. As it is in minus 5 to plus 1, we can write it as, because the range is in between minus 1 and plus 1. Am I right? So if it is minus 5 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1, instead of minus 5 what we can write? Minus 1, because the maximum value is minus 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to plus 1. Now the sign we have to take to both sides. So x less than or equal to, if you take sin this side, it will become sin inverse of minus 1 less than or equal to, how will you write? Sin inverse of 1. So this can be written as minus sin inverse of 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to sin inverse 1. What is the minus sin inverse 1? Minus pi by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2. So this can be written as x belongs to minus pi by 2 close bracket minus 2 pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So the domain is minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Next one question. Fifth question. Find the value of sine inverse of sine 5 pi by 9 cos pi by 9 plus cos 5 pi by 9 into sine pi by 9. So here sine inverse of, it is of the form, we know that one formula, we know that this is the formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Formula is sin of A plus B. This is the formula. So using this formula, this can be written as sin inverse of sin of A, what is A here? 5 pi by 9 plus pi by 9. This is equal to sin inverse of sin, LCM is 9, 5 pi plus 5, 6 pi, cancel, here 2, here 3, equal to sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3, equal to sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3, it is not between here sin value, no, so minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, am I right? It is this angle is not in this interval. This angle, it does not belongs to this interval. So this can be written as sin of pi minus pi by 3. 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3, equal to sin inverse of sin of 180 minus theta. Formula sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta. So sin of 180 minus theta can be written as sin pi by 3. So sin cancel, that is equal to pi by 3, because pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Alright. And sixth question, one more question we can see. Okay, find the value of cos inverse of pi by 7 into cos pi by 17 minus sin pi by 7 into sin pi by 17. This also we know that one formula, we know that cos inverse of cos, okay. We know that cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Formula is cos of A plus B. Here minus means here plus. This is the formula. So using this formula, this can be written as cos inverse of cos of A plus B, pi by 7 plus pi by 17, equal to cos inverse of LCM is 117 into 7, 49, 4, 190. So here what it will come? 17 pi plus 7 pi. That is equal to cos inverse of cos of add it, 17 plus 7, that is 4 to 24, 24 pi by 190. So these two get cancelled, equal to 24 pi by 190. That is answer. So it belongs to 0 comma pi. Okay. So dear students, these 6 problems just write and study well. It is a 5-mark question. 5-mark question. So when I come to the Zoom class, we will discuss again. Okay, we will discuss these problems again. So before coming to next Zoom class, you have to complete these 6 problems clearly. We have to write and study. Understand? Okay, students. Thank you.